Thank you for participating in AiCare trial. This video will show you how to set up AiCare app to interact with the wristband. You will be receiving a wristband from AiCare. The band is battery powered, so there's no need for charging. There's also no need to pair the band with your iPhone. The data will automatically transfer to your iPhone. To put on the wristband, just put that around your wrist and buckle up. Please download TestFlight from the Apple App Store. You will be receiving an invitation from AiCare to download the latest AiCare Alert App. Please tap on TestFlight, and inside you will see AiCare Alert App ready to be installed. After the installation is finished, tap the Open button. The first time the app is open, you will see the End User License Agreement. Scroll down to the bottom of the agreement and tap Accept, then tap OK. The app will bring you to the login page. Enter the username and password provided by AiCare. You can also activate the biometric authentication should you wish to. If there's a pop-up allowing the notification, tap Allow to allow AiCare app to send notification to your iPhone. And if there's a pop-up related to Bluetooth access, tap OK as well. Now you're ready to use the app. As you can see, this is the first page of the app. This concludes the video. If you have any questions, please contact AiCare staff and we will be here to help you. Thank you.